In this video, we will show you how to use Supermetrics for Google Sheets. If you guys want to get started with Supermetrics, you can use the links down in the description. First, visit supermetrics.com. Click on Start Free Trial specifically for Google Sheets. Next, select Use Template from the top right corner of the page. Choose the Google account that you want to integrate with Google Sheets. Click Continue to proceed. You will be prompted to grant permissions. Click on Allow to authorize Supermetrics to access your Google Sheets. Once installed, you will notice that Supermetrics is active. Now select the platform from which you want to pull data. Click on Continue to proceed. Decide how you want to begin, either from a pre-made template or starting from scratch. Browse through the available templates. Scroll down to explore various options. Select a template that suits your needs and click on Insert. For example, if you choose Facebook ads, click on Connect to proceed. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize your Facebook account. Click Continue and Done. Confirm and save your settings by clicking on Save. Click Got It to acknowledge. Now choose the specific connection and select your Facebook ads account. Click on Get My Data to start pulling information. Once the process is completed, you are all set to use Supermetrics with Google Sheets. So that is how to use Supermetrics for Google Sheets. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Supermetrics. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.